Alright guys, we got another one in Farmington, New Mexico. Single cab. This thing's badass. Diesel. A single cab diesel. In at Rob's Customs for a sunroof install. Used sunroof. We're gonna go with the charcoal gray suede. And we'll spray these too. Match everything up. It's gonna look badass. This thing's dope. Diesel single cab. Got the homie with the 26s I painted. He's putting in the fender. Same owner as this one. Got the fender in here. Getting ready to put it on. I still gotta paint his grill. But this motherfucker's bad. Alright, I'm gonna start by removing all the headliner. Start taking it all down. Alright guys, headliner's out. Bracket is welded in. Bodywork on top. That's what she's looking like right now. Alright, here's the headliner wrapped in charcoal gray suede. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Alright guys, sunroof is in. Drain pipes are in. All 4 drain pipes on all 4 corners. We're gonna go ahead and install the headliner. Last thing to do, wrap the headliner to here. It'll be good, nice clean look. We'll clean the glass and we should be ready to go. All right guys, install's done. All the way from Farmington, New Mexico. This thing's badass, single cab diesel. Check it out. Gray suede. Painted the visors and the plastics gray. Button gray. Nice. Alright, let the customer know she's ready to roll.